Okay, welcome to this tutorial on Roblox Studios on how to make a clickable part, just like this one. So when I click it, it will perform an action, like, for example, turn really red. So in order to do this, let me just duplicate this part for convenience. Okay, and then just delete everything inside. We need to insert a click detector. Now, what a click detector does is basically it checks to see if the mouse is clicking the part. And if there's a script inside of it that checks for a click detector, a mouse click, it will fire a function. So we need to create that script right now. So if we type in script.parent, dot parent dot click detector dot mouse click dot connect, semicolon connect function. If we do that, then this is basically we are basically already finished, because if the part is clicked, it will fire anything that's in here. But right now it's just blank, so it won't really do anything. We can basically make it do whatever we want. So if I type in print clicked, and if I test this right now, we're going to go over here as fast as possible, and you click this, it returns click in the output because we printed click in the script. So now we definitely know that it works. So now you can do whatever you want. Like, for example, I could make the player's jump height 50 or something. So if I was going to do that, all I have to do is put in a parameter player, because it's going to be looking for the player parameter. The first parameter is the player. So I say if player, then local char equals player dot character. Oh, not that character. And then local hum equals char dot humanoid. Okay, and then I'm going to do hum dot jump power equals 50, and it should work. If I did this correctly, it should be correct. Let's just run over here. I really need to move these parts because this takes a while to get over here, but click it. Wait, hold on. So I figured out what was happening in this script. Well, it was working, but I sort of forgot that the humanoid's default jump power was 50. So since I changed to 50, it did nothing. So if I changed to 199, you can definitely see the difference in that the touch event does work. First thought I messed up, but no, I didn't. It does in fact work. You just couldn't tell. And so yeah, that's how you create a clickable part on Roblox Studios.